today we will be experiencing a more comfortable and convenient flight with Philippine Airlines Comfort Class. Under Comfort Class, you are priority in check-in and boarding. To understand more, Comfort Class is for domestic and Business Class is for international. This is the Mabuhay Lounge South Wings. In here, meron kayong makikitang free snacks and drinks. So, kasama yan sa mga pwede nyong makuha under Comfort Class. So, libre lahat yan, pati yung mga drinks. So, pili lang kayo, coffee. Meron ding mga draft beer, soft drinks, sodas, anything. Pwede nyo yung kunin, kainin, under siya sa Comfort Class. So, pwede kayong mag-stay dyan, pwede kayong mag-laptop, gumamit ng electricity, pwede kayong mag-charge, so anything. Habang naghihintay kayo ng flight nyo. So, mas maganda mag-stay dyan while waiting. And then, ang tagal kasi nung flight namin, so nag-announce sila na madidelay daw yung flight namin. So, okay lang, since nasa Mabuhay Lounge kami, libre yung pagkain, pwede kang kumain hanggat gusto mo. And then, nakadapat din siya dun sa may bintana. Kita mo rin yung mga airplanes dyan sa labas ng bintana. Naririnig mo rin kung ano man yung sinasabi dun sa audio nila, yung mga announcements. And dahil nga naiinip na kami, video-video muna while waiting para sa aming flight. At dahil nga very comfortable yung Mabuhay Lounge, ayan, kwentuhan pa more hanggang ma-last call kami. Sabi nung nag-announce, last call for Mr. Arturo Aguirre and Miss Cynthia Aguirre. Takbo kami baka maiwan kami ng airplane. So ayan, nakaabot nga kami. So nakasakay na kami ng bus na magdadala sa amin sa airplane. Katuwa din yung experience na yun hamak mo ma-last call kami. So, ito nga. So, pasakay na kami sa aming flight. Flight PR 2923. So, ayan nga. Under ng comfort class, so, priority seats din kami. So, nandiyan kami sa unahan. Ang aming seat number ay 1D1C. So, ayan. So, kapag pala nandiyan ka sa unahan, so, ikaw yung responsible dyan dun sa bintana, dyan sa gilid. So, in case of emergency, kung ano man yung mangyari at mag-land yung airplane, so, ikaw yung magbubukas niyan. Yan, yung pool, buksan mo yan. And then, kapag naman under ka sa water, ayan, yung sa ilalim naman ang bubuksan.
Your life vests are found under your seats. On the water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push and to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the two inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, go into mouth tubes. Push them inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lighted block markings will lead to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please tag the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you.
Meron din kaming complimentary blanket and pillow. So, yan. Pwede mo yung gamitin habang nasa flight ka. Pero iiwan mo rin yan after. And then, yung dating green peas lang na binibigay nila sa economy. So, sa amin, gourmet sandwich niya. So, pagdating namin dyan, inabutan na kaagad kami ng bottled water. And then, tinanong kami kung gusto namin ng orange juice or apple juice. And then, yung sandwich is chicken Waldorf sandwich. Paano nga ba ma-avail yung comfort class sa domestic flight? So, kung ikaw ay elite member or premium elite member, so pwede kang may maka-access sa kanilang Mabuhay Lounge. And, in case naman sa amin, hindi kami elite member, so paano namin nakuha yung comfort class? So, kapag meron ka ng maximum na flight, halimbawa nakarami ka na ng flight mo, and then ginagamit mo ay yung debit card. So, Makikita nila yon sa kanilang file and then i-upgrade ka nila to comfort class. One more thing is yung mabuhay miles card nyo. Kapag nakarami ka na ng points, pwede mo na rin magamit yon to upgrade into comfort class. So, we safely landed in Bicol International Airport. So, thank God. At dahil nga sa unahan kami nakaupo, so una rin kami nakalabas. So, here na kami, waiting for our luggage. If you have a budget naman, napakasarap mag-flight from Manila to Legazpi. In just 1 hour, nasa Legazpi ka na. Kesa naman sa magdadrive ka from Legazpi to Manila ng 12 hours. Nakakapagod, nakakangawit mag-drive. Palagi nga nagrereklamo yung husband ko sa tagal ng biyahe. So, now na na-experience niya yung comfort class, sabi niya, gusto daw niyang mag-travel through comfort class na. So, eto na nga, pauwi na kami. Thank God we're safe. Ayan na yung sundo namin. Yan na si Tatong. Miss na rin namin ang aming mga anak. Thank you for watching.